Hello, it is Happy Hat Wednesday. I'm over at another beautiful job just south of St. Augustine, and look at this beautiful pool. Oh my gosh, just imagine the sun shines out. I mean, this is just a beautiful design. Love the shellac. We got a beautiful radius right here at the entry with the LED color vision bubbler. I love the oversized spa. It's an 8-foot spa. We've got our 4-pack, our 3-pack jets, a couple of singles, beautiful spillway, full stone wrap around the skirt. Really, the bow on the baby's head. If you can see inside the pool, we got some starfish, some little turtles, and then mama turtle, baby turtle, and papa turtle. Really adds to everything on the complete design. We got strip tiles on our bench. We got strip tiles on our steps. I mean, love this design. Beautiful shellac coping. I love the way that we complemented taking a rectangle pool and putting a half radius to complement the full radius on the spa. Just a beautiful job. Look at the lovely landscaping. Got a zoysia grass. Our client got him a very nice pergola pavilion kit made out of cedar, installed this himself with his family. Beautiful little touch. Now it's just time for what? Time to go swimming, get in the hot tub, maybe a little bit of furniture, and this will be a complete, beautiful job. So we want to thank everyone for checking us out on YouTube, Facebook, and all the other channels out there. I want you to have a happy, safe Wednesday, because guess what? The weekend is coming up, and we are gonna go swimming. Peace out. We love y'all. God bless. Take care.